Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start chapter 2 of social studies from your book Oxford Secondary Social Studies for Pakistan by Peter Moss. So for the better understanding of this chapter, you should open up your books, hold your pens and mark the key point, objectives and difficult words along with the important information from this chapter. So let's start. The name of this chapter is Climatic Regions of the Muslim World. So let's find out about the climatic regions of the Muslim world. Students, I'm going to give you a short review of this chapter. The Muslim countries are divided into 8 regions according to their climatic conditions. These are deserts, semi-deserts and scrubland, tropical grasslands, tropical forests, temperate deserts, Mediterranean climate, temperate grasslands, and monsoons. So let's start with the definition of desert. Any location on earth that receives less than 10 inches of rain per year is called desert. Deserts are extremely dry and may be either very hot or very cold. Another words for desert: wasteland, arid, barren, infertile. 3/4 of the world's major deserts are in Muslim countries. Number 1, the Sahara Desert in Africa makes up 60% of the total desert area of the world. Number 2, the Thar Desert in Pakistan. Number 3, the Somali Desert in Africa. Number 4, the Khazel-Kum in Uzbekistan. Number 5, Dasht-e Lut in Iran. Number 6, Rabul Khali in Saudi Arabia. Right now we are going to discuss about semi-deserts, temperate deserts, tropical forests, and Mediterranean climate. Come up at semi-deserts. An arid area. Arid mean barren, infertile area. Okay. An arid area that has some of the characteristics of a desert but has greater annual precipitation, okay, is called semi-desert. Now come up at temperate deserts. At first we should know the meaning of temperate. Temperate meaning hot during day and cold during night, okay. Temperate deserts are also called cold winter deserts. They are geographically defined in different ways. They have low rainfall and strong temperature contrast between summer and winter. Now come up at tropical deserts or tropical forests, okay. These grasslands or these forests which are situated on each side of the equator are called tropical forests or tropical grasslands. Now come up at the Mediterranean climate. At first we should know about the meaning of Mediterranean. The Mediterranean is the sea surrounded by southern Europe, North Africa and Western Asia. Mediterranean mean inland seas, okay. Now we will define about the Mediterranean climate. The Köppen's climate classification characterized by hot, dry summers and cool, wet winters, and located between about 30° and 45° latitude north and south of the equator and on the western sides of the continents. Köppen is a Russian geographer, Russian and German geographer who classified the climate. Now come up at the last one, monsoons. The cool winds that blow from the surface of the sea towards the land, which carries the rain, are called monsoon winds. Okay, look at this picture. The cool winds that are coming or blowing from the surface of the sea towards the land and carries the rain. Okay, these winds are called the monsoon winds. Hopefully you will be able to understand about the climatic conditions of the Muslim world. Okay, and you will be clarified that the Muslim countries are divided into 8 regions according to their climatic conditions, like deserts, semi-deserts and scrublands, tropical grassland, tropical forest, temperate desert, Mediterranean climate, temperate grasslands and monsoons. Okay, wish you best of luck.